assembly with a Bible reading taken from the book of Psalms chapter 46 verse 1 to 3.
God is a refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. Therefore will not we fear, though the earth be removed, and though the mountains be carried into the midst of the sea. Though the waters thereof roll and be troubled, though the mountains shake with the swelling thereof. This is the word of the Lord. Thanks be to God.
Good morning to our patient Annie. This assembly has been conducted by the peer educators on World Mental Health Day. This is an international day for global mental health education, awareness and advocacy against social stigma. All over the world, individuals participate in raising awareness about mental health on this day. And we, the peer leaders, hope to do the same with a week-long Meraki Fest, on which I'll throw some light on later. To begin, I, Tanishka, would like to discuss what mental health actually is. In simple words, mental health includes our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It affects how we think, feel, and act. One thing that shall be emphasized is mental health is important at every stage of life, from childhood to adolescence and throughout adulthood. But people often overlook how interdependent mental and physical health are. Mental illness can lead to various long-lasting conditions like heart diseases and strokes. On the other hand, chronic illnesses do show signs of mental struggle in patients. But as the peer educator, I'm here to assure you that if you do struggle mentally, you're definitely not alone. There are times when loneliness and even academic stress can get to us. Because let's face it, we as adolescents are constantly put on the treadmill to simply go make a career. Hence, we introduce our week-long program, Meraki Fest, in order to help our young minds to be self-aware and come to better conclusions for our mental health. I now hand over the mic to Arshia and Shaurya.
Greetings to everyone. I am Arshia.
And I Shaurya.
We have the pleasure of introducing you to a transformative program that is making a significant impact on the lives of our adolescents, the Adolescent Peer Educators Program. Peer education is not just a concept, it's a powerful approach, a channel of communication, a methodology, a philosophy, and a strategy, all rolled into one. The term peer signifies individuals who are equals. When combined with education, it refers to the development, training, and knowledge sharing among peers. Now, Shaurya will explain it further.
So why peer education is so crucial? Trained peer educators are uniquely positioned to reach and influence young people. Studies say adolescents are more likely to need personalized messages when they come from someone who understands their concerns and pressures. And so, if any of our peers feels the need to open up about any issue which is troubling him or her, can contact any of our peer leaders. Also, if you have any complaints which you would not like to share in person but want to bring it to notice, you may share it in written in any of the small complaint boxes which are on each floor or in the bigger one near the staircase. The complaint boxes will be opened every Monday to attend your grievances. And now, Arshia would like to continue.
As a part of this program, and also to commemorate World Mental Health Day, we as peer educators are thrilled to announce the Meraki Fest, a week-long event aimed at nurturing the holistic development of students. Here's a glimpse of what's in store. On day 1, that was the 9th October, we had a school assembly, which was conducted by 11th B. On day 2, that is today, we are having an interactive assembly, which is being led by peer educators. On day 3, that is tomorrow, we will have a mass yoga for our physical and mental well-being. On day 4, a session will be conducted by Krishna Sir, a clinical psychologist for students of class 9th to 12th. On day 5, a puppetry show will be organized for juniors. And day 6, that will be the last day of the program, that is 14th of October, we will have an enlightening session for the parents, which will be held providing valuable insights into adolescent well-being. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to the positive impact this program will have on our school community.
Mental health is not a destination but a process. It's about how you drive, not where you're going. I repeat, mental health is not a destination but a process. It's about how you draw it, not where you are going.
Improve people's mental health. Setting up of a 24/7 helpline to provide psychosocial support by mental health professionals. Insurance and dissemination of detailed guidelines by National Institute of Mental Health and Neuroscience, Bangalore. For providing affordable and accessible mental health care facilities to the population, including the poor and the underprivileged, the government is implementing the National Mental Health Program in the country. The strict mental health program has also been sanctioned for implementation in districts for which support is provided to the states and the UTs through national mental health missions.
Sports news for today is Michael Sandner, Rachel Ravindra give New Zealand all-round strength as they thrash Netherlands for second straight win. Today, Cricket World Cup match between England and Bangladesh and Pakistan and Sri Lanka. Cricket to be included in 2028 Olympics, speculations say.
Weather forecast for today is maximum temperature 34 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 22 degrees Celsius. Sunset today at 5:58 p.m. and sunrise tomorrow at 6:21 a.m. Humidity may rise up to 77%. The sky will be partly cloudy.
Now, as we have come to the end of this assembly, I would like to conclude by saying mental health problems don't define who you are. They are something you experience. You walk in the rain and you feel the rain, but you are not the rain. Thus, it's okay to fall apart as tacos fall apart, but we still love them. And we, as peer educators, will try our best to help you as we always rise by lifting others. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead. Also a reminder, please bring yoga mats for mass yoga tomorrow. Thank you.